Hello everyone, this is Adi Puttasamy here from iTech Analytics Solutions. Today I'm here for congratulating Tejas and Manoj who have got a very good offer as data scientist. The reason why I'm making this video is there are a lot of confusions with students and freshers thinking that only IT people can actually get job as data scientist or data analytics or business analyst. But these two people have proved it wrong, saying that even mechanical students or any other stream students can get this data science or data analyst or business analyst jobs. All right, so I have Tejas and Manoj who have got a very good offer as data scientists. So just wanted to ask them a few questions about how they actually got this job, what all preparations they have done, and also like what are their struggles before getting this job, so that people who are actually watching these videos from non-IT background also should feel that yes, we can also get the data science or data analytics or business analytics jobs. So let me ask these people about few questions which they'll be answering so that there'll be a lot of confusions with many of them will get it cleared. So Tejas, can you just tell about yourself?
Uh, I'm Tejas. I'm from Mysore. I was completed mechanical engineering in Maharaj Institute of Technology, and I had passed out here in 2019 batch.
So Manoj, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, sure thing. Hello everyone, I am Manoj. I completed my graduation in the year of 2020 in the stream of mechanical department in Puttaparthi.
So you guys have got a very good job. So congratulations on this. But before getting this job, you guys would have struggled a lot. So if you can tell all your challenges what you've faced, so that there are so many students who are willing to get job or who are trying for a job, so they'll also understand what all things they have to get prepared. So Tejas, can you tell me what all struggles you have faced to get this job?
Um, Finally, I got a job. Thank you so much, sir, for referring the job. After completion of my mechanical engineering, I couldn't get the job in the mechanical field. I still roaming around the company and giving the resume to the watchmans, and they scored me simply. I couldn't get the job, and my friends, all of my friends completed CS software. They can get a job easily, but I can't get the job in mechanical field. Since 2 years, I just roaming around the companies, and still I couldn't get the job.
Manoj,
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell me your struggles?
Yeah.
Being a mechanical background, it's very difficult to get the job in IT companies. Most of the people think that only CS or IT guys can get a job very easily. That too, most of the mechanical thought think that we need to join only Java developer or Python developer. No, most of the people don't know that there is a one course like data analytics, business analytics, data science. So I get to know about this company, so that I have joined by with the reference of my brother-in-law. So thank you, actors.
So people you just heard about Tejas was telling that he was roaming around for jobs and he was giving his resume to the security guard was there standing outside, and God knows what would have happened to his resumes. So there are a lot of challenges, lot of struggles people would have done. They have tried lot many things, which is very difficult to get job. There are so many other ways where you can easily get the job. So these people have struggled a lot. Now they are data scientists, which they'll be working on the a lot of data science projects going forward, right? So good that you guys got job. So how did you actually came to know about ITAs, Tejas?
Before telling this, I just asked all of my friends and family members. After I was completed mechanical, what should I do to getting the job? They simply said you can did the coding and you can did Java. I don't know about that. I just felt sad. Know about those things, and one of my family friends referred this course as data analyst. I really hate to study all of those things. I just tried to once to the completed of data analyst. Just I entered to the platform. I get very happy to talking with the sir, and they makes me understand the course very well, and I more interested to learn about the data analyst.
Manoj, how did you came to know about ITAS?
Yes, sir. I completed my graduation in 2020. That is a pandemic situation. In pandemic, there is no campus placement. That too for mechanical, nothing. Even outside of the city, also, there is no placements for mechanical department. So after completion of lockdown, I came to Bangalore. Even I also thought to join in for Java developer. My brother-in-law suggested that go for data analytics. That will be best for mechanic student. Why? Because here we can do dashboards. So that is also for designing. So you will get a more knowledge. You will get more interest compared to Java developer. So I get to know like this.
So, guys, you heard about Tejas and Manoj talking about how they actually got to know about ITAS and how they actually got more interest in learning a lot of data science concepts or data analytics concepts. And though they were not so very interested in coding or IT field, finally they came to ITAS and they got a lot of interest in studying these data science or data analytics courses. So Tejas, which course actually you opted in ITAS?
First of all, I don't know which course I should take on for to get the job, but the sir only referred the course for me to get the job, and sir referred me data analyst course is the best way to get the job in IT field. Then I took that course to completion of. I took that course to complete it, and after I wanted to get the job. Then first of all, sir started the Excel course in when I joined in this platform. They teach me Excel very well, and more interested to learn other, and
On the
I wanted to learn after this Excel. I wanted to learn all some other course like Power BI, Excel, and dashboard design. They teach me very well. I can understand, and I did very well on the projects.
Manoj, your thoughts?
I was also in dilemma that what to take. Either it go for business analytics or data analytics. So I finally chosen the data analytics. Same, I completed that. It takes around 5 to 6 months, of course. In during this time only, I got the placed in the borderless access company.
So when Tejas and Manoj came to ITAS for inquiries, they were completely new to this field. They were totally confused that which course to take. They kept asking me a lot of questions, and I suggested them for the data analyst. But even they had a lot of confusions whether they have to take this course because they were completely from a different background. That is, they are from non-IT background. But still, they made up their mind to take this data analytics course, and today you know where they are actually. So there are a few more questions which I'll be asking these guys. So you chose data analytics as per my suggestions. Then after that, how did the training go about?
uh, Training was very nice. I can understand easily. First of all, I'm a last bench student. I couldn't understand any subjects in when I in college study. Training was very nice. I can understand everything what sir will teach me, and I had understand very well. And I had project, and I had done two more projects about on courses what I completed. Uh,
Manoj, your thoughts?
The training was excellent. The main advantage is whether we can attend in online or offline. Even though if we skip the class, we can get a recording session so that it will be easy to understand without skipping class. This in training period along with the classes, we also have an internship program. So they will give the assignments, projects. So we are able to do that.
So people, you just heard Tejas saying that he's a last bench student, and everyone knows that last bench students are always success, including me. Even Manoj was talking about the entire course, about how the course go about, then again the internship, then assignments. There'll be a lot of trainings which happens continuously, which actually is very much related to the industry what they need. So this is the speciality of ITS where we actually give a lot of projects to work so that it will be very easy for the students to attend the interviews or work on the projects what the industry actually expects. So Tejas and Manoj, you guys enrolled data analytics course. and you went through a lot of trainings and internship, assignments, projects, so many things. Many of them who are watching this video are very much eager and interested to know that where did you get the job, what is the package you have got. So can you please both of you tell, so that people who are in confusion that they'll not get the job or they cannot become a data scientist or data analyst, so you can be an example saying that you can easily get the job even from non-IT background as well. So please tell our people who are actually watching this video that where did you get the job and what is the package you.
After completing the course, and I got a job in borderless axis, and I got 4 lakhs per annum. But job designation is data scientist, and happy to say this and to share this to all.
Okay, sir. I am extremely happy to share that I have placed in Borderless Access Company as a designation of data scientist with a package of 4 lakhs per annum. Thank you.
So congratulations, Tejas and Manoj, for getting job in Borderless Access with 4 lakhs package as a freshers. So it's a very good news. So Tejas and Manoj, so is there anything you want to tell the people who are watching this video about ITAS?
Uh, Hello, people. I wanted to suggest to who are all completion the degree or some diploma courses. I suggest. I wanted to suggest to all this. This is the best way to get the good opportunity and career with this course. And thank you for all.
Manoj? Yes.
Okay, hello people. ITAS. It is very good for the analytical reporting. The persons, people who are looking for the analytical reporting, this is the best institute. It is the best institute in Bangalore. So the classes were very good. We have a good faculty, good staff, so that we can get both online and offline. We can enroll that. It is a very good for the freshers who are looking for the job with a good package. Thank you, ITAS.
Thank you, Manoj and Tejas, for giving your thoughts. So before ending this video, I just want to tell all the students or freshers or professionals who are from various different background, especially from non-IT background, it is not that difficult to get the job as data scientist or data analyst or business analyst. It is just that you have to put some efforts. It's just that you have to focus on the courses, the technologies, and the trainings what we actually give. We have a lot of assignments, projects, a lot of courses, packages. Especially, we have this diploma in business analytics and data analytics, and also we have the courses on data analytics and business analytics as well, wherein even the non-IT people also can take this course and easily get the job with a very big package as well. And we have the examples here. Manoj and Tejas, who are from mechanical background, have got the job, and we are very happy, and we are very happy to congratulate them once again. It's their efforts, it's their dedication who have got, which made them get this job. It's not only our trainings; it's always about the students, their efforts, their interest, and their confidence also will help them getting the job. So ITAS is always there, and we are there for giving you a complete industrial trainings on analytics and reportings. So please make sure that you don't have that confusion about the people from non-IT background may not get the job something. So it's not difficult, very easy. Once I'm telling you, people non-IT background, please, if you are thinking that you want to do this science or data analytics course, you reach us. We are there to help you in not only getting the trainings, but also on these placements as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.